Alright, let's get straight to it. What exactly is a virus? I know you've probably heard the word 100 times in the past few years, but let's break it down from the top. Imagine you've got this super tiny invader, so tiny, you'd need a powerful microscope just to spot one. That's a virus. It's not really alive in the way animals or plants are, and it's not quite dead either. Viruses are like these weird little packages of genetic material, DNA or RNA, wrapped up in a protein shell. They don't eat, breathe, or move on their own. Now here's the wild part. A virus can't do anything by itself. It needs to find a host, a living cell, to spring into action. Think of it like a USB stick loaded with code. Plug it into a computer and suddenly things start happening. But on its own, it's just sitting there, doing nothing. When a virus invades your body, it's on a mission. It finds a cell, locks on, and injects its genetic material inside. Then it hijacks the cell's machinery, forcing it to make more copies of the virus. Imagine a factory suddenly switching from making trainers to pumping out thousands of tiny invaders. That's what your cells do when they get taken over by a virus. This is how infections happen. The more viruses made, the more cells get infected, and soon, you might start feeling ill, like with a cold, flu, or yes, even COVID-19. But not all viruses are bad news. Some don't harm humans at all. And scientists actually use certain viruses to help fight cancer or develop vaccines. So, how do you stop a virus? Well, antibiotics don't work. Those are for bacteria, not viruses. Your best bet is prevention, washing your hands, using hand sanitizer, and of course, vaccines. Vaccines train your immune system to spot a virus and destroy it before it can take over your cells. To sum it up, a virus is a microscopic genetic hacker, sneaking into your cells, taking control, and making more copies of itself. It can cause disease, but it's also a tool for science and medicine. Next time you hear about viruses, remember, they're not just germs, they're fascinating little machines with a huge impact on life as we know it. If you found this helpful, hit like, and let me know what science topic you want to dig into next. Cheers for watching.